Okay, ladies and germs, Connor from CW Tech back with another video. Today we're looking at the Yeelight, the smart LED bulb 1S color light. Happy days. I'm actually impressed with the Yeelight. A couple of reasons. What are we talking about when it comes to smart lights? Lumens, color or white, temperature, dimmable. There's a few features that we look at. And although they're not much, it's a light bulb. It is nice to know if you're going to get something that is of value, price point, but also does most of the functions that its competitors do. And I think the Yeelight hits that mark. Now, this was sent to me, so it's not a totally unbiased opinion because it was sent to me. That probably affects me in some way. Now, not only is it the light bulb itself that I enjoy, but it is the app. The Yeelight app for me is really cool and really easy to use, and it's not confusing, it's simple, as was the setup process of the Yeelight. Now, like with every smart product, you need an account. So you've got like an account for this light, an account for the camera, and an account for Google, and an account for this. You still need another account if you purchase a Yeelight product. No surprises there. Voice control. Amazon, Apple, Android. It works with all the smart home gear that you need for voice control, which is nice to have. It is adjustable light. The light is dimmable. It has 16 million colors to choose from. It also has scenes and also comes with basic functions like an on-off timer. So I'm pretty impressed. This is the E27 bulb and its temperature range is from 2700 to 6500 kelvins and it comes in at 800 lumens. Now I find that bright enough to light most rooms in your typical household. I have this in the lounge room and it is quite bright. I did originally have it in the laundry, but I switched it from the laundry to the lounge room. Now the laundry now has the small little LifeX bulb because it's not as bright. And now the living room, which sometimes requires more light, is accompanied by the Yeelight. Now there isn't much to talk about when it comes to smart bulbs. Merely, is it going to do the job and is the price right? Now if you're in Australia, this is coming in at around 25 bucks. Right now though, I'm looking at a price point of $22.97. That's on the Yeelight website. So that is about half of its original price. That's what they're telling me on the website anyway. So a good buy, definitely. If you think you get a LifeX bulb for about $30 that comes in at way less lumens and has no color, then you can definitely see that you're getting a good quality product. It comes in at about 8.5 watts and lasts for approximately 25,000 hours. I don't know how long that is. How long do you leave your living room light on for? 4 hours a day? 5 hours a day? That's a lot. That's a long time. Now this one only comes in at 2.4 gigahertz, which isn't a big issue, but if you've only got a 5 gigahertz router, then this is not the bulb for you because it is a 2.4 gigahertz bulb. Now, if you are watching this from Europe, then it actually has a little bit more range in the temperature and it goes from 1700 to 6500, but the rest of the world it is 2700 to 6500. So something to note there. And it also is energy saving and also has a night light mode where it can be really dim so that you can leave it on during the night. That is the smart LED bulb 1S from Yeelight. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do, especially at the current prices. Easy to set up, a good app, well-designed app. It's easy to use. It's not confusing or anything like that. So definitely the Yeelight. It's one you could consider for your smart home. You know what my number one recommendation for smart homes is? Try and keep all your products the same. So if you've got Yeelights, stick with Yeelights. It'll just make things a lot smoother if you stick with the one product for the whole house, because then you just have one app, one account. So choose carefully. But the Yeelight is definitely up there. It's one of my favorites at the moment because of that price and because of that functionality. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Check.